Welcome to this rabbit farming training series. If you are new to rabbit farming, or you are still trying to understand whether rabbit farming is right for you, this series is designed for you. We will take everything step by step, starting from the basics, using simple language that anyone can understand. In this first episode, we are laying the foundation. We will talk about what rabbit farming really is, why people are getting into it, and what you need to understand before you even think of buying rabbits. Rabbit farming, also known as cuniculture, is the practice of raising rabbits for purposes such as meat production, breeding, income generation, research, or as pets. It is one of the most accessible forms of livestock farming because it does not require large land, heavy equipment, or huge startup capital. Rabbits are small animals, but they are highly productive. They grow fast, reproduce quickly, and can be raised successfully in small spaces when managed properly. This makes rabbit farming suitable for backyards, small farms, and semi-commercial setups. Rabbit farming is gaining attention for several reasons. Rabbits grow faster than many other livestock animals. With proper feeding and care, a rabbit can reach market size within 3 to 4 months. Rabbits also reproduce quickly. A healthy female rabbit can give birth several times a year, producing multiple kits each time. This allows farmers to expand their stock in a relatively short period. Rabbit meat is high in protein, low in fat, and low in cholesterol. Rabbits are quiet, clean animals, making them suitable even in residential areas. Rabbit farming allows you to start small, learn gradually, and expand with experience. What matters most is not farm size, but knowledge, consistency, and care. Who rabbit farming is for, rabbit behavior, and next steps. Rabbit farming is suitable for many types of people. It is ideal for beginners who want to enter agriculture with low risk. It is suitable for students, young entrepreneurs, retirees, and families looking for an additional source of income. Rabbit farming is also suitable for people with limited space. You do not need large farmland to raise rabbits successfully. Proper housing, feeding, and management are far more important than land size. However, rabbit farming is not a get-rich-quick business. Like all farming activities, it requires patience, learning, and daily attention. Rabbits depend on you for food, clean water, hygiene, and protection. Before starting, it is important to understand rabbit behavior. Rabbits are prey animals, meaning they are naturally alert and can easily become stressed by loud noises, rough handling, or sudden environmental changes. A calm and quiet environment helps rabbits stay healthy. Rabbits prefer clean, dry, and well-ventilated housing. They are sensitive to excessive heat, so proper airflow and shade are essential. They are herbivores and feed mainly on grasses, vegetables, and formulated feeds. Rabbits are most active in the early morning and evening and usually rest during the heat of the day. Understanding these natural habits helps you manage them better. One common mistake beginners make is buying rabbits before learning. This often leads to losses and discouragement. Knowledge should always come before investment. After this episode, take time to reflect. Consider your interest, your available space, and your commitment. Do not rush. In the next episode, we will discuss rabbit breeds and how to choose the right breed for your purpose as a beginner. This is the foundation. Everything else builds from here. Choosing the right rabbit breed, beginner guidance. Choosing the right rabbit breed is one of the most important decisions you will make as a beginner. In rabbit farming, the breed you choose will affect growth rate, reproduction, survival, management stress, and overall success. The first thing to consider is your purpose. If your main goal is meat production, you should focus on breeds known for fast growth, good body size, and efficient feed conversion. If your goal is breeding and selling young rabbits, then fertility, mothering ability, and adaptability become more important than size alone. As a beginner, it is strongly recommended to start with hardy and well-adapted breeds. These are breeds that can handle local weather conditions, resist common stress factors, and still perform reasonably well even when management is not yet perfect. In many cases, local breeds or crossbreeds perform better for beginners than imported or exotic rabbits. Common beginner-friendly farm breeds include New Zealand White, Californian, Chinchilla, Dutch, and healthy local crosses. Each breed has its strengths and weaknesses. Some grow faster, some tolerate heat better, and some reproduce more consistently. There is no single best breed for everyone. One common mistake beginners make is choosing rabbits based only on appearance. A rabbit may look attractive but perform poorly in growth or reproduction. Productivity, health, and adaptability should always come before color or pattern. Another mistake is starting with too many rabbits at once. This often leads to management problems, disease outbreaks, and losses. It is better to start small. Learn proper feeding, housing, and hygiene, then expand gradually with experience. Before buying rabbits, take time to observe your environment. Consider temperature, ventilation, space, and the amount of time you can dedicate daily. These factors will influence which breed will do well for you. Rabbit farming success does not come from rushing. It comes from patience, observation, and consistent improvement. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episodes. Like this video to support the series and help it reach more people. Share it with anyone interested in rabbit farming. And drop your questions in the comments section. If you want to support this channel further, consider joining our channel membership or sending a super chat during live sessions. Your support helps us continue creating practical farming training content. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the rabbit farming journey.